Number 1. 1976 Harley-Davidson FXE Shovelhead, $8,500, Lamarck, Texas. The 1976 Harley-Davidson FXE Shovelhead represents one of the most recognizable American motorcycles of the 1970s, celebrated for its legendary V-twin engine, unmistakable styling, and enduring appeal among Harley enthusiasts. Matching numbers shovelheads remain highly desirable thanks to their authenticity, classic character, and strong place in Harley-Davidson history. This matching numbers 74 cubic inch FXE is a kickstart-only model that the seller says runs great and comes with a clean title. Offered at $8,500 or best offer with a possible trade considered, it presents an excellent opportunity for buyers seeking an authentic shovelhead with timeless vintage appeal. Number 2. 1980 Kawasaki KZ1000LTD, $6,000, Spring Branch, Texas. The 1980 Kawasaki KZ1000LTD combines the legendary performance of Kawasaki's iconic inline-4 engine with cruiser-inspired styling that made the LTD series stand out during its era. Known for strong performance and dependable engineering, the KZ1000 remains a favorite among collectors of classic Japanese motorcycles. The seller describes this example as being in very good condition and needing nothing before riding. It features nearly new factory exhaust pipes, while the speedometer was replaced with an earlier 160-mile-per-hour unit, making the exact mileage unverified. For enthusiasts looking for a well-kept KZ1000, this LTD offers a clean and enjoyable vintage riding experience. Number 3. 1978 Triumph Bonneville T140, $6,000, London, Texas. The 1978 Triumph Bonneville T140 continues the legacy of one of Britain's most celebrated motorcycles, combining classic parallel twin performance with timeless styling and a rich motorcycling heritage. These Bonnevilles remain highly respected by collectors and riders who appreciate traditional British craftsmanship and enduring character. According to the seller, this two-owner motorcycle is ready to ride and has received numerous mechanical updates over the past 11 years, including a rebuilt top end, Boyer electronic ignition, clutch components, valve seals, and routine maintenance. With its strong running condition and thoughtful improvements, this Bonneville offers an excellent blend of originality and reliability. Number 4. 1976 Yamaha XS650, $3,800, Kama, Texas. The 1976 Yamaha XS650 is one of Japan's most iconic parallel twin motorcycles, admired for its dependable engineering, classic styling, and strong connection to British-inspired motorcycle design. Original survivor examples have become increasingly desirable among enthusiasts who appreciate well-preserved vintage motorcycles. This all-original XS650 has never been repainted or restored, with the seller noting that the original paint still shines beautifully, aside from a small mark near the seat. The carburetors have been cleaned, new tires installed, and the motorcycle reportedly starts on the first kick. With a clean title, it appears ready to be enjoyed by its next owner.
It's just a really, really nice, clean 1976.
Number 5. 1969 BSA 441 Victor Special, $3,500, Flower Mound, Texas. The 1969 BSA 441 Victor Special is one of the most recognizable British single-cylinder motorcycles of its kind, earning a reputation for rugged performance and success in both on-road and off-road competition. Today, the Victor remains a favorite among collectors who appreciate its rugged character and distinctive British styling. This example was converted into a vintage motocross machine several years ago and is described as a great running motorcycle with only 4 hours on a rebuilt top end. The seller includes the title along with the original parts needed to return it to street configuration, making it an appealing project for enthusiasts seeking a versatile British classic. Number 6. 1982 Suzuki GS850L, $1,800, Wharton, Texas. The 1982 Suzuki GS850L is a classic Japanese cruiser that combines the dependable performance of Suzuki's proven inline-4 engine with comfortable styling for everyday riding. Well known for its durability and smooth power delivery, the GS850 series continues to attract enthusiasts looking for affordable and reliable vintage motorcycles. This 843cc 5-speed example shows 33,500 miles and is described as running great by the seller. It comes with a new battery, a new set of tires included with the sale, fully functioning lights, signals, horn, and a clear title. For buyers seeking a budget-friendly classic that's ready to enjoy, this GS850L offers excellent value. Number 7. 1960 MV Agusta Sento 125, $3,500, Georgetown, Texas. The 1960 MV Agusta Sento 125 represents the elegant craftsmanship that helped establish MV Agusta as one of Italy's most prestigious motorcycle manufacturers. Lightweight, stylish, and increasingly uncommon, these early Italian classics are admired by collectors for their historical significance and distinctive European character. Showing 3,421 miles, this example is described as starting easily and running perfectly, with brand new tires already installed. Although the paint is not original, it includes import paperwork from Poland along with a bill of sale. For enthusiasts seeking a rare Italian motorcycle, this Sento makes a unique addition to any vintage collection. Number 8. 1992 Honda CB750, $4,500, Denton, Texas. The 1992 Honda CB750 carries forward the legacy of one of the most influential motorcycles ever produced, combining smooth inline-4 performance with Honda's well-earned reputation for reliability. Even later generations CB750 models remain popular among riders who appreciate dependable engineering and timeless everyday usability. This example shows 21,739 miles and has recently received a rebuilt carburetor along with a new battery. The seller states that it runs and rides great, making it a solid option for anyone looking for a dependable classic Honda that's ready for regular use. It offers an excellent balance of practicality and vintage appeal. Number 9. 1973 Harley-Davidson Superglide, $8,900, Clute, Texas. The 1973 Harley-Davidson Superglide is one of the landmark models of the shovelhead era, blending factory performance with styling that helped shape Harley-Davidson customs for decades to come. Matching numbers examples remain especially desirable among collectors thanks to their authenticity and enduring place in Harley history. According to the seller, this matching numbers shovelhead was custom-built during the 1980s and continues to run and ride very well. While the mileage is unknown due to a non-functioning gauge, the motorcycle comes with a clean blue title and numerous custom components. It offers an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a distinctive vintage Harley with collector appeal. Number 10. 1984 Honda Magna V30, $800, Burleson, Texas. The 1984 Honda Magna V30 introduced riders to Honda's compact V4 performance, combining smooth power with sporty styling that made the Magna lineup stand out during the 1980s. Today, these motorcycles remain popular with enthusiasts who appreciate Honda's innovative engineering and unique V4 character. This motorcycle is being offered as a parts bike and is described as running, although it needs additional care before returning to regular use. It requires a battery, starts with a jump box, and is being sold without a title for $800 or best offer. For buyers seeking an affordable project or parts donor, this Magna provides a budget-friendly opportunity.